Good afternoon. Well, how about a little afternoon cruise? Well, this may be a stretch. I've been working out quite a bit today. Not sure if you can see the perspiration on my shirt. But we're going to get started. And we're going to do a little afternoon cruise. So we're going to get started. You know what we're working with? We're working with the basic latch bar. The basic latch bar has a double attachment. The one attachment is for sit-ups. The other attachment is for crunches. So we're going to go through a full body real quick and see if we can get this workout in. I want to put a timer on it so I know what I'm doing, or at least how much time I have. I really don't want to stretch this one out, so we're going to bust it out. My abs are telling me enough is enough. But we're going to try and get through this. Now to our crunch. Small cramping situation. Hopefully it doesn't last. Sometimes catching cramps lets you know that you've really been working the muscle hard. And it's a good thing. Not always is it bad. It's a good thing sometimes. A lot of times the best thing to do when you catch a cramp if you can work through it, do so. I understand sometimes you can't. I can't always work through it either. So, mounted on the wall, we have the deluxe flat latch bar, and we have a deluxe round latch bar that we're going to use to do pull downs. Of course, it has a flat strap on the top, flat resistance band, and we're ready to do the pull down crunch. Goodness gracious. I caught the cramp on the first one. It's all good. We're still hanging in there. We're gonna do some side crunches, or we're going to try to. Well, I don't know how it's gonna feel yet. Had to take a little break. Sometimes splitting it up is good. This pull down also impacts your entire core. So everything is tight while you're doing pull downs. Yes. The worst is over. That's why I can say yes. Of course, you're not sure what I'm going to do next, but I know what I'm going to do next. And it's not as difficult as what we just got finished doing. If you've been following me, you will know that I did 1,000 earlier today, and that's why things are a bit difficult. I also did some cardio. I did some jogging in my driveway. There are a number of different things that we have to do when we're serious about getting in shape. So you might as well get used to it if that's what you have in mind, because that's what we do. With the Latchbar system, we get in shape. Just like anything else, you have to apply yourself though. This is just a rollout, it's not part of my system, but it's a good piece of exercise equipment. That pull down, it's a good shoulder and back exercise. These are pulls. These are good arm exercise. They can also be a good squat exercise. Holding it up and just doing squats like this. You'll be working your arms and your legs at the same time. Reposition yourself, your feet on the latch bar on the bottom. And on the top, spread your arms, your grips to the outside. More pulls and squats if you like. Isometric. I felt that on my total upper body, everywhere. Squats if you like. The old chest pull. Nice expansion. Hold it there and get that isometric effect. We're using the Latchbar hand grips. Use it on the front or use it behind your shoulders. Do the bow and arrow. Grab our 44-inch squat bar. Not only can you do squats, but you can also do the press. Press it and hold it to get that isometric effect. You can also put it on your shoulders. Do squats. Oops. You can also do curls. With the same setup. And get an adequate workout. Bring over our standing side crunch. We have the basic latch bar mounted to a 2x10. We stand on it with one foot and we crunch to the opposite side. You pull it and hold it there. Get that isometric effect. Turn it around. Let's do the other arm. Same way. Alrighty. Now, we'll come back over to our wall and we'll do some more arm exercise. Arm and back exercise. This is our hand grips once again. We're going to just place our feet on them, onto the resistance band. In my left hand, we have a flat resistance band. In my right hand, that's a tubular resistance band. So we're just going to do some pulls, rotating, to work us over a little bit more. Yes, getting a good workout in the afternoon. We can also grab our resistance bands, which are mounted on the wall. You can do some more exercise for your arms. There's so many different things that you can do with resistance bands. It's not even funny. And you'll just love it. I mean, you can stand here straight and just push both arms out. Just like this. Strengthen those arms. Strengthen those arms out so that when you get ready to do push-ups, your arms are stronger. And you can hold these in your hand as long as you have gloves on. These have about 35 pounds of resistance. But remember, the further you step out, the more tension is on the resistance band, so the more difficult it will become. So always keep that in mind. Using these resistance bands, you can also place them around your body and do some resistive jogging. That's right. Place them around your body, one around your waist, one around your upper chest. And now you can do some resistive jogging in place. So you don't have to go anywhere. You can do it right here. And you will have all the exercise that you need. Trust me. Not certain what that was all about, but I'm glad I was able to correct it. Oh yeah. Don't get excited. Just keep your job going. And if you see, notice the mat underneath me, it's buckling because of the resistance. I'm trying to stand still, but the mat wants to move. So we're just going to keep our form. So you want to get a couple of minutes in of this resistive jogging, and more if you can. It's up to you. We're only going to do a couple minutes. I think you get my point of taking advantage of the resistive jogging also. You can also I'm going the wrong way. We can also put thigh straps on our thighs. Here are the thigh straps, right here. Put a thigh strap on and jog like that. Also attach the band to the thigh strap. We also have ankle straps where you can attach the band to your ankle and just do some kickouts. It's a wonderful feeling. Get some of that resistance while you're doing a good workout. You'll love it. Trust me. I'm going to go back to some pulls because I didn't feel that I really had gotten myself enough pulls in. But I have some flat bands here. Attached to our attachment apparatus here. Yeah. Just want to get a few more of those in. And also, want to do our bench press. We didn't do our press while we were lying down, but we can still do a bench press over here. We're already set up, actually. Take a walk around, step in and over. And we're ready for more punishment. How about that? That's leverage that you can get when you're using the latch bar. You would not be able to get this kind of leverage. These bands are 75 pounds each. And with us, we have doubled the resistance, so it increases the tension. So I'm not sure how much we're lifting here, but I'm sure it's a lot more than 100. While we have the bench set up like this, we'll take our ankle straps and we're going to move the bench back because we're going to work on our hamstring, our big muscle back there. Usually we sit the opposite way and we kick our legs out. This time we're going to pull our legs back. Okay, I want to make sure we're not about to fall off the bench. So we'll adjust the bench back some. We'll give ourselves something to hold on to. We'll pull back so we have some resistance going. And this is what we do. Both legs at a time. All right? We're making a muscle in our hamstring, our thigh muscle. So it'll start burning on the top and on the bottom. Because you're working both of those muscles. Or should I say that muscle group? Oh yeah, that's put a nice burn on my legs now. Of course, you can also grab this from the inside, stand a little closer to it, and just work over those forearms and those wrists. back of your arm here. Because I can certainly feel it there. So you want to do some push-ups also. You want to include push-ups in your routine. So we get to set of elevators. We'll grab ourselves the Deluxe because that's what we have available. And we'll just do a few push-ups. And now we have a full body workout completed. And I hope that you enjoyed this second workout of the day as much as I did. Thank you very much for participating.